I'm passionate about sustainability in general and sustainable construction in particular. I really believe sustainability can be a strong business driver and also that it can foster innovation. Today the building industry represents 40% of the global energy consumption and about 1/3 of the carbon footprint worldwide. This is huge, and that means if we want to keep the temperature rise below 2 degrees, the buildings have a role to play. The good news is we know how to do it and the solutions already exist today on the market. For example, we know how to build nearly zero energy buildings that are also good for the people living inside and that are also good from a total cost of ownership perspective. So really it's about people, planet and prosperity, and we know how to do it today. The most important thing in the future will be the circular economy. We cannot continue with the classic take, make, dispose model. This is not sustainable. Resources are becoming scarcer, and as the world population increases, we have to rethink the way we make things. For example, can we use recycled content in our products? Can we use other byproducts as a part of our process? Will our product be recyclable at the end of their lives? These are questions our industry will have to answer in the coming years, and actually we have started to work on it at Saint-Gobain. At Saint-Gobain, we have already started to work with those issues. Just a few examples, our insulation solution from Isover are made of up to 80% recycled glass already today. Our Gyproc brand offers recycling services in several countries. And the last example, which I quite like, is about the Kallenberg industrial symbiosis, where we have a Gyproc plant and where different industries share resources and use others' byproduct, actually other resources, in a closed-loop model. More and more in Saint-Gobain, we start to work at system level by combining solutions from our different brands. One good example is the silent wall system. It's a facade system in Sweden, where we have combined solutions from Gyproc, Isover and Weber. It is a P-labeled system, which has also very good acoustic properties. And this collaboration is not only internally between the Saint-Gobain brand, it's also happening across the building value chain. We really believe in collaboration, in working together. The green construction industry already represents 1/4 of the total construction activity, and this is growing fast. If you have a look at the top 3 architect firms in the world, today they say that 40 to 65% of the projects they do are green building projects, so this is really important. And the main driver for that are, on one end, there is a push. The push is coming from the regulation, environmental regulation, that are becoming more and more stringent. And there is also a pull, and this pull is the green building labels, such as LEED, BREEAM and DGNB, which are perceived by the market as quality marks. In the end, sustainable buildings, they really add more value for all stakeholders along the value chain. Lower operating costs, also lower energy costs actually, higher rents, and also better productivity inside those green sustainable buildings. And for construction product manufacturers like Saint-Gobain, it is really a big business opportunity. The market for green buildings product is growing, and in 2019 it will be a 234 billion opportunity. So it's really a big market coming.